Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic, measurements, calculations, and conversions. So conversions are important in chemistry because they allow us to convert between two different units. So the units that we will deal with are based on the metric system and the empirical system. The empirical system is used most frequently in the US. We will convert between metric the way that you used to do, that was simple and straightforward, and then we will show you the more chemistry way of doing things by changing your equality into a conversion factor. So let's look at this first example you have here. You have an equality, or you need to find an equality between milliliters and liters. Once you have your equality, you can, like I said, do it the old way, where you just simply set up your number that you want to convert between milliliters and liters, find the appropriate number of decimal spaces you're going to move it, and there's your answer. So you start off with 1250, you end up with 1.25 liters because of significant figures. That works, but let's do it the chemistry way, where we change our equality into a conversion factor. So you still start off with your 1250 milliliters, but now you're going to set it up so that you have your volume, they're both volume. You have your liters over your milliliters. You always want the unknown unit in the numerator and the known unit in the denominator. This allows you to cancel the units. You get the same outcome, but you're doing it in a more conversion factor way, so that you can do it more easily in chemistry, because everything is not as straightforward as moving the decimal. Here's a different equation. Find your equality, and again, you'll find your equality using a chart that is given to you, I'm sure. You have your equality between pounds and grams. You're going to identify your given units and your unknown units. You're still going to start off with your given, which is 25.4 grams. Set it up so that your unknown units, pounds, goes in the numerator. Cancel like units. You do the math. 24.5 divided by 453.6. There's your number, and then with significant figures. Go ahead and try the next one on your own. Pause if you need to. So did you find the equality? And so since you've identified your given and your unknown, you start off with the given. You set up your conversion factor so the unknown unit is in the denominator. Unknown unit is in the numerator, Cancel like units, and then significant figures. All right, here's a multi-conversion factor or multi-equality conversion. So we need to identify the conversion factors that are needed here. You have one given to you in the problem because there is no direct conversion between meters and minutes, so you have to use the one in the problem, 33 meters per minute. And then you have to find one between kilometers and meters. And then you just set it up the same so that all your units will cancel out. Start off with the given, which is minutes. And then set it up so that everything will cancel out. Minutes will go away, meters will go away, you'll be left with kilometers. And then of course you just need to remember significant figures. So this is doable, right? Okay, let's add a little bit to it. What if we included the periodic table as a way to find new equalities? So the periodic table tells you a lot of different information, but one thing important is the molar mass. So if I look at hydrogen, for example, you have the molar mass of hydrogen, 1 mole is equal to 1.01 grams. And we'll get into that more later on, but for now, let's find the molar mass of copper, because our example here is between copper. So you've identified the given and the unknown. Did you find the molar mass? Okay, so now that you have the molar mass, just same as the other conversions. Start off with your given. Set up your equality as a conversion factor, where the unknown units are in the numerator. Cancel like units. And there's your answer. All right, I'm gonna stay quiet on this next one and let you have a chance to do it on your own. Go for it. You have it set up right? If you have it set up right, cancel those units, put it in calculator, remember significant figures, and then you're done. Great job. See, it's pretty straightforward. If you want more practice or more videos like this, let me know. Thanks.